would you tell your teacher about yourself when you were 16 that you didn't at that age?
Probably that there's more to me, like that even though I'm quiet and I don't participate in class, it's like I have a lot to say. I think I'm still that same person in certain ways, like my confidence level has grown and things like that, but I was never the type of student that felt like they had to speak up all the time. But when I did speak, it was because I had something to say and it was important, and I felt like even up into college, it was like I was a quiet person. Like I knew the answers, I just didn't feel like I had to speak up all the time, and I felt like certain students or certain people like to dominate space just because they like to dominate space, and I was never one of those people. So I think what I would have wanted teachers to know is to maybe like spend some time developing that relationship with me one-on-one, and you would probably hear a lot more of what I have to say, which I had a lot to say, and the people closest to me heard it.